What's going on, guys? This is Z Garage and we are back, and kind of wanted to just do a quick little update video in between rainstorms because the weather here is freaking sucked.
Yeah, it's been raining, it's been cold, and then it's rained, and yeah, it's been ridiculous. Literally, you could see as I passed by water puddles. It's been raining like every other day, and then if it's not raining, it's 30 degrees out.
And then it's supposed to freaking downpour all day tomorrow, so we're just like, I guess we'll film a short little update video for you guys. Get you guys an update on what we have planned for 2018, where we're going, and yeah. So let's jump on into it.
So first off, I'm still stunting. No, I mean, pretty much we're gonna stunt. That's one of the things that I'm gonna do. I got my handbrake on now. That video is gonna come out in a little while if it's not already out. You know, got some stuff lined up to try to get my stunting a little bit better. And then you want to do more racing, so that's going to be going on for you.
Yep, I got a bunch of stuff coming from Man in the Box. I got the race plate, the rear sliders for the rear pegs, and just a bunch of other stuff I want to do. I also got my new Dinger exhaust. It's actually... I stalled it.
Will he make the light? Yeah, he made the light.
Barely. It's yellow. Sorry, car. Sorry, Toyota.
And I knew those people in that truck, so they're probably looking at you like a freaking retard. But
with the better weather coming, because it's about mid-February right now, we have our first event that we are going to March 3rd. Let me take my little note card.
He's got a note card. Oh my god, I didn't even know that happened.
Yeah, I just want to make sure so I can give him the proper date. Oh gosh, this is a terrible idea. We got March...
You're reading a note card on a motorcycle.
Yeah, I don't know. First event, March 3rd at the Atlanta, what is it, the Mercedes-Benz Arena. We will be at the Supercross event, just experiencing it because I've never been to a Supercross event. Kyle's never been to a Supercross event. Hang out with those guys and hang out with Faith Ryan and Johnny and go to that with him.
Yeah,
and then also that following Sunday, the following day, we'll be out at Blood Mountain trying to drag some knee, maybe. I don't know. Probably not.
Probably not. We'll be trying to keep up with Johnny.
Exactly. So if you guys are in the Atlanta Blood Mountain area, hit us up and we will, I'm sure we'll have events and like event posts on Instagram. So make sure to follow us on Instagram if you want to keep up with that, because it's a lot easier to post those dates and stuff on Instagram.
But yeah, so we got all that going on. And also, big thing, should be the title of the video because it's so big to both of us. Big thing for us, we are calling out to anybody kind of in the, I say local, but kind of like the within a decent amount of time.
The East Coast area.
There we go. Around the North Carolina area, we want to ride with you. Whether you are a brand new rider, whether you are a professional at whatever, we just want to ride with you. We want to meet new people. We want to have new experiences. We want to go to new cities and stuff like that. So definitely excited to do that. I know Miller and a couple other people. I know mainly I talked to Miller, but
was it Millsy-Moto?
Yeah, Millsy-Moto, yep.
Yeah, we just want to ride with you guys. We want to experience new roads because the roads around Fayetteville are kind of boring.
I didn't even touch it. I didn't even touch it. I got it on video.
But no, yeah, we want to ride with you guys. We might have like little get-togethers or like meetups at some places around the area. Big areas for right now are South Carolina, Virginia.
Obviously North Carolina.
Obviously North Carolina, so like Wilmington, Greensboro, maybe Charlotte.
Yeah, if you're located in California,
we're sorry we can't financially do that just yet.
Yeah, it's a little much, but we appreciate the view. But yeah, we're very excited to do that. I'm very excited to do that. It's just going to be so much fun meeting new people, and the fact of, you know, being able to ride with somebody you've never rode before and seeing what they're good at, seeing what, you know, we're good at, and then exploring new places is a big thing. And obviously we'll be exploring their favorite spots and their off-roading spots and, you know, their wheelie spots, you know, different things like that. So it's definitely going to be a lot of fun.
yep, I just want to meet you guys and see what you guys are all about. So hopefully hit us up on YouTube in a comment, or honestly Instagram is probably the easiest way, or Facebook. All right, and what's the next one? Let's see, try to catch up a little bit.
Now you can read it.
All right, and turn off the gas, open it up. Crap, I can't with these gloves. All right, we have Saturday, Sunday, March 24th and 25th. We have our first race weekend. This will be at NC, or through NC Mini GP. It's going to be at VIR, which we are very accustomed to going to for drift events and all that. We've been out there a bunch of times, but just have never ridden.
Bring some livelihood to this video.
We have our first race weekend out at the kart track at VIR, so should be fun. We've been out to the Heron compound just once. We bought suits, and now we're actually break them in.
Break them in.
Should be fun. Trying to get these bikes set up for it and kind of just learn how to ride it better.
Mainly it's just to have fun.
Exactly.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah, we're not in it to like for points and all that stuff. We're looking into having it for fun and just experience something new.
And last but not least, we have the Smoky Mountain crawl, which we are both very excited for.
Yeah, it's gonna be an exciting weekend. It is June 8th through the 10th, I believe.
I think it's 11th, but I don't know.
We're going from the 7th through the 11th, which is Thursday through Monday. And yeah, we are looking forward to it. This will be our third year.
Yes,
third year going. Holy crap. Oh man, this year is going to be absolutely amazing.
Yeah, the first year was awesome. The second year, we thought it was going to kind of be the same, but it was even better. And this year they've got some gigantic plans in store. I think they're planning on over 1,000 people this year.
Yeah, unfortunately they aren't doing a Saturday group ride just because of how many people are expected to show up, and kind of what had happened last year was a giant wreck on the parkway. But they're trying to mitigate the risk and not going to have a group ride, but they are going to have like smaller group rides that are going to be going from the visitor center on Saturday.
Yeah, kind of self-held group rides. That way it's not like all 1,000 people, we're gonna go on the tail of the dragon, which is a really hard course for a lot of people,
especially because not a lot of people are used to twisties and turnies and all that. So
twisties and turnies. Okay,
but no, it's gonna be a great event. They actually have something in mind. We're not sure, but they had put out something looking for motovloggers that are actually going to be showing up to the event. Faith Riding Johnny had put out a post about it while they're looking for motovloggers. Not sure what the plan is for it. So if you are a motovlogger that has a mini bike, check out his Instagram post. We'll put a link down to it, and you can check it out and kind of say that, yeah, we're going, or even just post up on our Instagram or in the comments section below saying that, yeah, you're going to be at the Smoky Mountain crawl, and we can get you in contact with Faith Riding Johnny and all that. And hopefully they're going to do something cool. And
it was cool last year meeting a lot of people, and especially like just the fact that I hear like, hey Kyle, and I'm like, oh crap, I do not know this guy's name, and I felt so bad. You know how you get that feeling. And then he was like, well, then it was Grom Garage, but he was like, oh, you're from Grom Garage. I was like, oh yeah, okay. So he was just a fan, but it was cool, you know, just being able to meet people.
Yeah, we absolutely love meeting you guys. It's awesome. We met a bunch of you guys at the Smoky Mountain crawl, and just because we've grown, I feel like we're gonna meet a bunch more of you, and it was cool meeting Faith Riding Johnny, Photogrammer.
Well, Papa Crane was there too.
Papa Crane and Dodge Rider.
Yeah, Dodge Rider was there. Can't forget about Dodge Rider.
I think that's all we have for right now. Make sure to follow us on Instagram because we post a ton of updates on there.
Yeah, hit us up. We're definitely wanting to ride with everybody. I say everybody, but most people. And yep, kind of close. So kind of some limitations there, but if you want to come down to us, that's totally fine too.
We got some awesome off-roading trails.
All right, guys, that should be it. We probably cut out a bunch of this video because we did talk a lot.
But we will see you guys next week.